Hi everyone, I'm Christine, a Filipino student from Mint International College, Philippines. This podcast is part of our requirement in our subject, Humanities. I will discuss to everyone my insight on the movie called Wasteland. It talks about an artist named Vic Muniz who used a garbage as part of his art. And whatever he earns from it, he gave it back to the people who help him in collecting reusable things. Here in the Philippines, the sight of having a land filled with garbage is not new. But who have thought that a little worse situation can also be found in Brazil? Jardín Gramacho, a place in Rio de Janeiro wherein people live with garbage. A place that tells a lot of story. In some places in Asia, people on the higher class will choose to die than to be seen picking a garbage for a living. But most of the people featured in the movie came from a family that have a good living, but when the wheel of life turns around, they end up picking reusable garbage in damn site. Imagine how big courage and hope they have in order to face that. I remember one of them said that she doesn't care what people think. What important is she can feed her family and take care of the bills. More applause to the man who is the center of the movie, Vic Muniz. When everyone is busy taking care of their own lives and how to earn more, he concentrates on helping other people at the same time sharing his talent. He's a very unique person. He is rare. He can be easily found. Let's categorize him as a photographer. And now let's look at the world of photographers. Do you know someone who would do the same thing he did? What I have in mind is that photographers do live only in two categories, being a working photographer or being a teaching photographer. I don't see anyone who would actually think to do what Vic Muniz do. After having expensive gears and everything plus being underpaid or so. Do anyone think that they could actually help some people to have a better life while doing their photography? The time the movie started, I've been hooked up with it, maybe because it is really amazing. Something that is a dream come true. Something that amazes you. Something that is really happening. My first thought about it was an abstract painting category composed of garbage reusable materials. Obviously, first impression didn't last. The moment they showed the place, it catch my soul. For I never knew that there is a place that has more worse garbage system than my country. But they are more organized in collecting the reusable item. The stories of each of the people who have been interviewed is awesome, knowing that there are people who are striving themselves in order to survive. They are also unified when it comes to their job. They help each other and they treat each other as a family, something that is hard for some of my countrymen to do. To end this, I'll give a message to you, Vic. You are awesome. You are someone who needs to be an inspiration by all the politicians all over the world. For you, Wasteland, you have to grow. You have to be known, and you are still needed in this world. We don't know what else is hiding on the other places of the earth, and you will be the key to open it up. How many Jardín Gramacho is still hiding? What is the story? The garbage that is still not telling. It's the time to a worldwide call for a stronger reuse, reduce, and recycle campaign. If one day my child will be a garbage collector, I'll be proud of him. But if one day most places in the earth is filled with garbage, that is something not to be proud of. Because I know I became a part of it that make it worse. If technology do evolve and if many people are telling that a more modern life will be in the future, maybe a more care for garbage can be given. For once upon a time, this garbage belongs to me, to you, and to everyone.